Hi, Miss Robilin Sumande. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Robilin Barillo Sumande. I'm 39 years old and I live in Kalayaan, Santa Teresita, Batangas. I am single with a live-in partner.
Okay, so do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have one daughter and she is 11 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
We are six in the family. I have three brothers and two sisters. I am fifth in the family.
Okay, so can you tell me about your educational background?
I am graduate of a vocational course under dressmaking tailoring 1-year course only, ma'am.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have work experience abroad in Kuwait and I finished my contract there.
What are your duties and responsibilities?
My duties and responsibilities is taking care of the child, making laundry, cleaning the house, sometimes going market clean, helping to cook with the mother of my madam, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's all your experience in Kuwait?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how would you describe yourself?
I can describe myself as a simple person, hardworking, honest, and responsibility. Can do multitasking in work also, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am, I have no tattoo.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
I don't have experience in any surgery also, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad again, ma'am, because I want to help my daughter to finish her studies, to have savings, to help my families also, and to have savings.
Mm-hmm. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
I am not scared of dogs and cats, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea on how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I know sometimes children have these naughty and tantrums, but I can handle them by making them and playing with them, sometimes dancing with them also, reading books, the way that children like to do, ma'am. And I consider them as my children also.
Mm-hmm. All right. So what is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer is, I promise to do my work. I can assure you that I am hardworking, honest, can do multitasking. If you have rules and regulation, I will follow them as long as they are safe. If you have children, I will consider also as my own and I will love them also as my children. I promise to do my best and to finish my contract. Thank you.